The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross versus the 2026 Honda HR-V. Let's find out which one of these crossovers finds the sweetest spot between versatility, practicality, and fun. Corolla Cross's efficient powertrains give it higher EPA estimated miles per gallon ratings than Honda HR-V. Corolla Cross hybrid grades have a performance advantage over HR-V, thanks to standard all-wheel drive and sport-tuned suspension. Available features like a power liftgate and a heated steering wheel give Corolla Cross some conveniences that HR-V doesn't have. Now, let's put Corolla Cross and the Honda HR-V side by side. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross's versatility passes the vibe check. For 2026, it's offered in 6 grades: L, LE, and XLE gas grades, and 3 hybrid grades with S, SE, and XSE. HR-V offers 3 grades, LX, Sport, and EXL, but there's no hybrid option across the lineup. Give it a little 360 and see that Corolla Cross has got the look. It comes with a rugged grille on gas grades and sporty grille on hybrid grades. HR-V has a grade-specific grille on the Sport Edition. Corolla Cross perks up the personality with available 2-tone exterior colors, while HR-V has no equivalent. Both offer available 18-inch alloy wheels, along with an available power moonroof to soak up those perfect nights. But Corolla Cross helps make errands and activities a snap with an available power liftgate, while HR-V has no equivalent. Ready for the tech? This crossover's got a truckload. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes standard with a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, or an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that help keep important info within the driver's line of sight. HR-V just has a standard 7-inch TFT meter. Qi-compatible wireless charging is available on Corolla Cross and comes standard on HR-V. Both vehicles bring the customizable comfort with available power driver's seat and available heated front seats. But when it comes to extra details like an available heated steering wheel on Corolla Cross, there's just no equivalent on the Honda. Ready to be entertained? Because inside, Corolla Cross is stacked with those cool goodies that come with Toyota Audio Multimedia. The system offers intuitive tech through a standard 8-inch touchscreen, or an available 10.5-inch touchscreen. The Honda HR-V has a standard 9-inch touchscreen. Corolla Cross's audio multimedia system includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. HR-V also has standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Corolla Cross has a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. But with the Honda, no Sirius XM trials. Corolla Cross includes trials in select grades for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Surface Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. On the Honda HR-V, there are similar features through Honda Link trials, but those trials are only available. Corolla Cross boosts acoustic immersion with an available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system with subwoofer and amplifier. HR-V has an available upgraded 180-watt audio system with 8 speakers on EXL grades. With the 2026 Corolla Cross, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. The Honda HR-V comes standard with Honda Sensing, which has similar features to TSS 3.0. Corolla Cross has available blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, which is designed to help provide added assistance, while the Honda HR-V has its equivalent available blind spot information system and rear cross traffic monitor. And Corolla Cross has available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, while HR-V has available front and rear parking sensors and low-speed braking control. Corolla Cross delivers plenty of performance to kick it with the crew. It comes standard with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 169 horsepower. There's also an available 2-liter hybrid system with 196 net combined horsepower. The Honda HR-V can't quite keep up with its standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 158 horsepower. Oh, and there's no hybrid powertrain option. To pump up the driver's engagement with the road, Corolla Cross has available all-wheel drive on gas grades and standard electronic on-demand all-wheel drive on hybrid grades. HR-V has available all-wheel drive. And where Corolla Cross has standard sport tune suspension on hybrid grades designed to sharpen handling, the Honda HR-V has no equivalent. Corolla Cross has an EPA estimated 32 miles per gallon combined rating in front-wheel drive gas grades, and an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon combined rating on hybrid grades. The Honda HR-V only has an EPA estimated 28 miles per gallon combined rating on front-wheel drive gas grades. Every new Corolla Cross includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2 years and unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Honda HR-V's Honda Service Pass scheduled maintenance is limited to only 1 year and 12,000 miles. Both vehicles do offer a 3-year or 36,000 miles limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 5-year or 60,000 miles powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. Corolla Cross includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and an additional 10-year or 150,000 mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. The 2026 Corolla Cross is fresh style, peppy performance, and the versatility to tell epic stories. Discover all the plot twists and turns at Toyota.com.